You know what most people get wrong about aging? They think stiff joints, aching knees, and swelling in the legs are just part of getting older. But that's not the whole story. Hi there, if you're over 60 and tired of feeling like your body's slowing down, stick with me. Because what you're about to hear might just change how you feel, starting today. The real culprit behind that burning pain in your joints, the tightness in your knees, and the puffiness in your legs, it's not just time passing. It's collagen loss. And here's the thing, you can fight back. Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 powerful fruits, yes, fruits, that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Some of them can begin working in as little as 12 hours. That means less swelling, stronger joints, and more freedom to move. These aren't guesses or old wives' tales. Every fruit on this list is backed by peer-reviewed research, real science that's helped real seniors just like you. And I've got all the sources linked for you below. So don't go anywhere, especially because the number 1 fruit we'll talk about has been shown to increase skin collagen by 24% and reduce knee pain by over 40% in seniors. That's just from eating it regularly. Before we dive in, though, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's one fruit you absolutely can't stand, and how old are you? I read every single comment, and I promise, you're not alone if you hate papaya. Alright, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's kick things off with fruit number 8. Number 8, kiwi, the tiny green powerhouse. It might not look like much, but this fuzzy little fruit is packed with exactly what your body needs to start making collagen again. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, and here's why that matters. Your body cannot produce new collagen without vitamin C. It's the spark that activates enzymes that turn amino acids like proline and lysine into those springy, elastic collagen fibers that make up your joints, cartilage, and connective tissue. And the older we get, the harder that process becomes. Your body produces about 1% less collagen every year after 30. By 65, most of it is gone. But here's the good news, just one medium kiwi gives you over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, more than enough to kickstart collagen production. In a clinical trial from the University of Otago in New Zealand, people who ate 2 kiwis a day saw a 31% boost in their plasma vitamin C levels within a week. Even better, they reported less stiffness and better joint mobility. But that's not all. Kiwi also contains antioxidants and a unique enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down proteins in your food so your body can absorb the nutrients it needs more efficiently. That means more raw materials for healing, and faster delivery to the places that need it most. How to eat it? Simple, eat it fresh in the morning, with the skin on if you can handle it. That's where most of the fiber and antioxidants live. You can slice it into yogurt, toss it into a smoothie, or just eat it whole like an apple. If your knees ache when you wake up, or your legs feel heavy after a walk, kiwi might be the gentle start your body's been waiting for. Number 7, pineapple, the anti-inflammatory hero. Next up, fruit number 7, pineapple. Juicy, tropical, and more powerful than it looks. What makes pineapple special isn't just its flavor, it's an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain helps break down proteins, yes, but it also has a powerful natural anti-inflammatory effect, especially around joints like the knees, hips, and ankles. You see, when inflammation is high, collagen production drops. Swelling puts pressure on your joints, making everything feel tighter, stiffer, and more painful. But bromelain helps calm that storm. In a study published in Clinical Rheumatology, patients with knee osteoarthritis who took bromelain every day for a month saw a 41% drop in joint pain and swelling. That's huge. And if you're someone who's been relying on NSAIDs or over-the-counter pain meds, this might surprise you. Another study from Germany found that bromelain supplements worked just as well as common painkillers, without the nasty side effects. On top of that, pineapple gives you vitamin C and manganese, 2 nutrients your body needs to activate collagen-producing enzymes. But don't just grab any pineapple. For best results, go for fresh, ripe pineapple, not the sugary canned stuff or frozen chunks soaked in syrup. You can eat it raw, blend it into smoothies, or add it to salads. A great tip? Eat it in the morning, when your digestive enzymes are at their peak. Some folks even add pineapple to their bone broth, a collagen-rich combo that supports healing from the inside out. If your knees tend to puff up after standing for too long, or your legs feel tight after sitting, pineapple can help calm the inflammation and give your joints some breathing room to heal. Number 6. Papaya. Now, papaya might not be the first fruit you reach for, but once you know what it does, you might just want to keep it stocked in your kitchen all the time. Ripe papaya is packed with a rare enzyme called papain. This little miracle worker helps break down long protein chains into smaller amino acids, the very building blocks your body needs to make collagen. And guess what? Papaya actually has more vitamin C than oranges. That means it gives your body a powerful toolkit to build up and repair the connective tissues in your joints, like tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. As we age, our joint linings can start to dry out, making every step feel a little stiffer. But when people with chronic knee pain started eating ripe papaya regularly, they noticed a real difference: less stiffness, and better range of motion, all in just a couple of weeks. That's not just a hunch, that comes straight from a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food. If you want to get the most out of papaya, eat it ripe, when the orange flesh is soft and sweet. You can eat it straight with a spoon, blend it into a smoothie, or even add a squeeze of lime to boost the vitamin C even more. And here's a tip: some dietitians even recommend tossing a few seeds into your smoothie for added anti-inflammatory benefits. Just make sure to avoid green, unripe papaya, unless it's cooked. The enzyme levels in unripe fruit just don't compare. Eating ripe papaya in the morning, or after a walk, gives your joints what they need to bounce back. You'll reduce inflammation, stimulate collagen production, and feel more flexible, right where you need it most. Number 5. Guava. Alright, now this next one might surprise you: guava. It's one of the world's most powerful collagen-boosting fruits, and yet, most older adults completely overlook it. Why is it so powerful? One word: vitamin C. Guavas pack 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. Just one guava gives you over 200 milligrams, that's double the daily recommended amount. And as you now know, vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Think of guava as high-octane fuel for your body's natural repair system. But guava doesn't just make new collagen, it protects what you already have. Thanks to its high levels of lycopene and polyphenol, 2 antioxidants that shield your collagen fibers from breaking down too quickly. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that adults who ate guava daily for 6 weeks had less joint inflammation and noticeably firmer skin. Researchers believe it's because guava helps reduce oxidative stress in your connective tissues, giving your body a better chance to heal itself. So if you're someone who deals with swelling in your knees or ankles, or your legs feel stiff after just a short walk, try adding guava to your morning routine. Eat it raw, with the skin on if you can. The skin's got extra fiber and antioxidants. Slice it up like an apple, blend it with papaya and kiwi for a collagen-packed smoothie, or just enjoy it as a snack. Just make sure you're avoiding any guava juices with added sugar, because that can cancel out the anti-inflammatory benefits. Bottom line? Guava helps your legs feel lighter, your joints more flexible, and your body stronger, so it can rebuild from the inside out. Number 4. Blackberries. Now don't be fooled by their size. Blackberries are tiny, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to joint health and collagen repair. One of the secret weapons in blackberries is something called anthocyanins. These are the deep purple pigments that give the berries their rich color, and they do some incredible things inside your body. First, they help protect the collagen you already have. Second, they slow down the enzymes that break down your joint tissues as you age. That means less cartilage loss and less stiffness, especially in places like the knees, hips, and ankles. A study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who ate blackberries daily had a 25% drop in inflammation markers linked to joint pain and cartilage breakdown. That's huge. Blackberries also improve circulation, thanks to their polyphenol, which means more nutrients are delivered straight to your joints, helping them heal faster. And they contain manganese, another key player in collagen production. So how do you eat them? Stick with fresh blackberries, skip the frozen ones packed with added sugar. Toss them in a smoothie with spinach and chia seeds, mix them into plain yogurt, or just snack on them by the handful. If you eat blackberries in the morning, when inflammation is often highest, you give your body a head start on healing. And if you've been dealing with stiff ankles or swollen knees after walking, this tiny fruit might just become your new best friend. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are already known as a brain food, but they're just as powerful for your joints and connective tissues. Their magic comes from, yep, you guessed it, anthocyanins again. These flavonoids don't just fight inflammation, they also help rebuild the collagen structure in your joints. If you have micro tears in your cartilage, tendons, or ligaments, and most of us do as we get older, blueberries help soothe that damage and signal your body to start repairing. One study from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that older adults who ate blueberries daily for 2 weeks saw a 38% improvement in joint mobility and a noticeable reduction in lower body swelling. And there's more. A clinical trial at the University of Maine showed that blueberries improve blood flow to your connective tissues, delivering more of the raw materials your body needs to build collagen. Plus, blueberries are rich in vitamin C and manganese, both essential for collagen synthesis. And since they're low in sugar and high in fiber, they won't spike your blood sugar, which is crucial for controlling inflammation in aging joints. Want maximum benefits? Choose wild blueberries whenever possible. They have double the antioxidant power of the larger, cultivated ones. Eat them fresh, stir them into oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or just enjoy them as a simple, satisfying snack. If your legs tend to swell or feel tight by the end of the day, blueberries might be your new best friend. Try adding them to your breakfast, blend them into smoothies or stir them into oatmeal. Just steer clear of packaged products with added sugar or blueberry-flavored yogurts. They won't give you the real benefits. Now let's move on to fruit number 2, a fruit that's incredibly popular, delicious, and yet often overlooked when it comes to joint healing and collagen repair: strawberries. Strawberries aren't just sweet and tasty, they're packed with powerful nutrients that help restore collagen and calm inflammation in your legs and joints. They contain ellagic acid, vitamin C, and potent antioxidants that specifically protect your collagen from breaking down. You see, when your joints swell, your body produces enzymes that weaken the collagen framework holding your cartilage and ligaments together. But strawberries block those enzymes, allowing your body to heal, not just react to inflammation. In one clinical trial published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, people with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily for just 2 weeks saw a 37% reduction in inflammation markers, and a noticeable improvement in joint pain. Strawberries also help maintain skin elasticity and slow collagen loss as we age, but this isn't just about appearances. It's about the physical structure that supports your knees, ankles, and hips as you move through your day. Strawberries are also a great source of manganese, a mineral that helps your body weave collagen into strong, flexible strands, just like vitamin C. To get the most benefit, eat strawberries fresh, ideally organic, and with the green top still on. They're especially helpful when eaten in the morning or after light activity, when your blood flow is higher and your body is already in repair mode. Avoid strawberry jams or canned fillings, which are often packed with sugar and lose their anti-inflammatory punch. Just 1 cup a day can help reduce stiffness, swelling, and give your joints the signal to start producing collagen again. If your knees feel tight or your legs swell by evening, strawberries might be the simplest natural remedy. Now, for the number 1 most powerful fruit to reduce joint swelling and restore collagen: amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Almost no one in the West eats this fruit regularly, but it's one of the richest and most absorbable sources of vitamin C in the world. And unlike citrus fruits, amla's vitamin C is paired with plant compounds that make it longer lasting and more effective inside the body. Just a small serving of amla gives your body a powerful, sustained boost in collagen production. But here's the key: amla doesn't just help your body build collagen, it actually protects the collagen you already have. It promotes the growth of fibroblasts, those are the cells in your skin, tendons, and joints that make new collagen, and it blocks the enzymes that break collagen down during inflammation. In a study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, people who took amla extract daily for 12 weeks experienced a 42% reduction in knee pain and swelling. Even more impressively, a skin biopsy showed a 24% increase in collagen flexibility and density. That means amla doesn't just relieve pain, it helps rebuild the very structure that supports your joints. Another study from India found that regular amla intake significantly improved muscle strength and mobility in older adults with arthritis. Amla also contains gallic acid and quercetin, two compounds that help protect your joints from oxidative stress, especially after walking or light exercise. The best way to take amla is as a juice or powder. Since it's quite sour when eaten raw, many people prefer it dried or powdered, mixed with warm water, lemon, and a touch of honey in the morning. If you have access to fresh amla, you can slice it and soak it overnight in salt water to make it more palatable. Many older adults report noticeable relief in just a few days, less morning stiffness, less swelling in the knees and ankles, and an easier time getting up and moving around. There's a reason your knees ache or your legs swell. These are signs your collagen is breaking down. And ignoring that can lead to more pain, more stiffness, and a loss of mobility. But now, you know the truth. These 8 powerful fruits don't just reduce swelling, they help rebuild the very foundation that keeps your joints moving freely and pain-free. And this isn't guesswork. Every fruit on this list has been tested in real clinical trials with real results. Within 12 to 48 hours, you could start feeling less morning pain, better knee flexibility, and lighter legs, if you start eating just 2 or 3 of these fruits every day. And if you want to take things deeper, start with the most powerful one, amla. Before you go, let us know in the comments, which fruit will you try first? We read every comment and reply to as many as we can. If this video was helpful, share it with someone you care about. You could save them years of joint pain and discomfort. And remember to subscribe and turn on the bell, because your journey to stronger, pain-free legs is just beginning. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, thank you for watching.